Hello everyone. Hello everyone. In this series of data science, today I will be solving my end semester question paper. So let's begin it. So the first question was data science is a multidisciplinary field that integrates concepts from various domains such as computer science, statistics, machine learning and data analysis. With this in mind, answer the following questions. The first question is explain the two primary paradigms of data research, that is hypothesis driven and the data driven, providing example for each. The second part is describe the different type of data commonly encountered in a data science: structured, unstructured, quantitative, categorical and big data, and give an example of each type. And the third is identify and explain at least three common sources or format of data and discuss their relevance to data science application. So let's start. So here is the answer of this question. The answer of the first question is the two primary paradigms of data research. The first one is hypothesis driven. Here is the explanation. This approach begins with an hypothesis or a specific question based on a prior knowledge or theory. The data collected and analyzed aims to test the validate this hypothesis. Example, a marketing team hypothesis that offering discount during weekends will boost sales. They collect sale data for weekends with and without discount and analyze the result to validate their hypothesis. So the next is data driven paradigm. Explanation is in this approach, the process starts with analyzing the large amount of data to uncover patterns, trends, or insights without having a predefined hypothesis. The insights derived from the data analysis may then guide future hypothesis or decision making. And the example for this is a streaming services like Netflix uses machine learning algorithms to analyze viewing patterns and recommends show based on a user past preference and the behavior of a similar users. So the B part of the question is type of data in data science. So there are several type of data in data science, like such as data structured data, unstructured data, quantitative data, and big data. So what is structured data? Their description is data that is organized in a row and column within a defined format such as relational databases. Example of this is a table of an employee record with a field like name, age, department, and salary. Unstructured data is the data that does not have a predefined format and it is often text heavy or multimedia. Like examples are social media posts, email, images or videos. Now the third type of data is the quantitative data. The numeric data that represent measurable quantities. It can be further divided into countable and contiguous measurable data. Example, discrete number of student in a class, contiguous like temperature reading over a day. So the next type is categorical data. This is the data represent categories or labels without inherent numerical meaning. Example, gender like male, female and other gender, or colors red, blue, green and other colors. Now what is big data? Large complex data sets that cannot be easily managed with traditional tool due to their volume, variety and velocity. Example, real-time sensor data from IoT devices or click stream data from high traffic websites. Now, what the third part is common sources or format of data. So the common format or the sources of the data are like databases, API, web scrapings, logos, and machine data. So what is databases? Data is stored in a relational databases like SQL or non-relational database like NoSQL. Relevance: relational databases are essential for structured data analysis in business operations, while NoSQL databases handling large-scale unstructured data like user profile in social media. Now, what is API? API is the application programming interfaces, which provide interface to software system to enable data exchange between applications. API, the relevance is that APIs are used to access data from external systems such as retrieving weather data from a weather services. Now, what is web scraping? Collect data from website by extracting information from HTML pages. Web scraping is crucial for applications like price comparison tool or sentiment analysis from product review. The fourth type of data format is logos and machine data. That is data generated by machine or servers, including server logs, IoT devices, outputs, and system performance data. Relevance critical for mentoring system, predict maintenance, and cyber securities. Thank you.